Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a really quick and easy pair of earrings that is perfect for the holiday season. So today I'm going to be using these little lever backs, and you can tell that they have a nice little well in them, and these are from Gita settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a Swarovski cushion stone in there, and this is a 12mm cushion stone. Now to do this, I'm going to be using some GS Hypo Cement. And this is really great because it has a little precision pinpoint that I'm going to be able to sort of fill that well with some glue, and it's going to look really, really great. If you need, you can also use a couple of extra little toothpicks, and I always like to keep a little baggie or a little Post-it note around. That way I can just let my glue hang down and it won't kind of mess up my little work surface here. Okay, so if you have everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. Now this is a really easy thing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open our GS Hypo Cement here, unscrew that, and you can see here that it has that nice little pinpoint there. So all I need to do is pick up the well of the earring, and what I'm going to do is just kind of trace a little outside line here. We do want to get it all the way around the center, so you can just sort of scooch it down there. This is where you can also utilize those toothpicks, but make sure you get a good amount of glue there. We don't want to go too close to the edge because we don't want to overwhelm it, and we don't want glue sticking out the side. So I'm just going to put my glue down there and then come in with a stone and just set it inside there. Now don't worry about getting fingerprints on your little stone. You can always wipe those off once it is fully dry. All right, and I'm just kind of pressing it in there, making sure it's going to stay nice and secure. You can go ahead and kind of just hold it there for just a second. There we go. So I have one completed. And now I'm going to move on to the second one. You can see my glue's already dripping down a little bit there. There we go. Now just sort of add that glue right in the rim there, all in that center well. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to set that down and come over and just sort of get that right in there. Now this particular finding will let that cushion stone hang a little bit more like a diamond. So if you can just see there, and also you can see all of my lovely little fingerprints on there. That's okay, don't worry about that. Like I said, you'll be able to adjust that later. Once it dries, you can just sort of wipe that off with just a nice little cloth. So we just want to make sure that it is nice and secure. You can just hold it, like I said, for a second. It actually fits really nicely in there. And then we have our pair of earrings all finished. Now, I do definitely recommend waiting at least 24 hours before wearing these. I want to make sure that that bond has enough time to definitely take that take the glue and be really nice and secure there. All right, so sorry, I just wanted to put my GS Hypo Cement on there. All right, so thanks so much for joining me, guys. This is a really easy technique. We have lots of other beautiful Gita findings. We also have these in gold, and we have a lot of other colors of that beautiful Swarovski crystal cushion stone in the 12mm. All right, thanks so much for joining me, everyone, and we'll see you back here soon. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.